What if I told you there's a hidden part of the internet where your phone could be tracked by anyone, anywhere, for just a few dollars? Today, we're diving into the most secretive and dangerous corner of the internet, the dark web. We're exposing the top 10 phone tracking sites hackers could use in 2026, so you know what's out there and how to protect yourself. Number 1 on our list is ShadowTrack Pro, a notorious real-time tracking service that's become infamous in underground circles. This isn't just another scammy website. It's a sophisticated platform that's been designed to look and feel like a legitimate tool, but its true purpose is far more sinister. ShadowTrack Pro is marketed as a way to locate almost any phone worldwide, and all it needs is a simple phone number. The site claims to tap into global networks, promising to pinpoint a device's location within seconds, no matter where it is on the planet. The process is disturbingly simple. You enter a phone number, and within moments, a map appears, dotted with location pins that supposedly reveal the target's exact whereabouts. There's no need for the victim to install any app or click any suspicious links. The site claims to exploit vulnerabilities in the global cellular network itself, making it both incredibly effective and deeply alarming. What makes ShadowTrack Pro even more dangerous is its payment system. The interface is sleek and professional, mimicking the look of legitimate tech services. But behind the scenes, it's designed for criminals. Payments are only accepted in untraceable cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Monero, making it nearly impossible for authorities to track down the operators or the users. This layer of anonymity attracts all kinds of bad actors, from stalkers to cybercriminals. The technology behind ShadowTrack Pro is based on exploiting flaws in the global cellular infrastructure, weaknesses that most people don't even know exist. By intercepting signals and manipulating network protocols, the site claims it can track phones without any direct access to the device. This means that anyone, anywhere, could potentially become a target, and there's little the average person can do to stop it. But the dangers don't stop there. Even just visiting sites like ShadowTrack Pro can put you at serious risk. These websites are often laced with malware, phishing schemes, and other traps designed to steal your personal information or infect your device. Many people who think they're just browsing out of curiosity end up falling victim to scams, data theft, or even identity fraud. In this digital landscape, you're not the predator, you're the prey. Hackers and cybercriminals are constantly on the lookout for new victims, and tools like ShadowTrack Pro make their job frighteningly easy. The sense of security we feel using our phones is often an illusion, shattered by the reality of these powerful tracking tools. ShadowTrack Pro stands as a stark reminder that our digital privacy is under relentless attack. Every day, new vulnerabilities are discovered, and new tools are developed to exploit them. It's a constant arms race between those trying to protect our data and those determined to steal it. The best defense is awareness. Stay vigilant. Knowing that these threats exist is the crucial first step to protecting yourself and your loved ones. Regularly update your devices, use strong passwords, and be cautious about the sites you visit. In a world where your phone can be tracked with just a number, digital safety is more important than ever. Number 2 is Ghost Locator, which markets itself with buzzwords like proprietary algorithms and machine learning. It promises pinpoint accuracy, but it's likely a sophisticated scam designed to steal your money and data. Enter a phone number, and you're handing valuable info to criminals. These sites are honeypots, tempting, but built to trap you. On the dark web, trust nothing. Every click is a risk. Ghost Locator will vanish with your crypto and your data. Black Cell Tracker is infamous for international tracking, allegedly following phones across borders using compromised telecom systems. This isn't about lost phones, it's about organized crime, espionage, and trafficking. Using it could mean facing international law enforcement and prison. The existence of tools like this shows how global and dangerous digital surveillance has become. One network flaw can be exploited worldwide. Black Cell Tracker is a symbol of a borderless digital underworld. Phantom Ping claims to exploit invisible SMS messages to force your phone to reveal its location without your knowledge. It abuses the outdated SS7 protocol, a decades-old system with major security flaws. Even with strong passwords and VPNs, you're still vulnerable if the infrastructure is weak. Tools like this are a wake-up call for telecoms to modernize. For individuals, true privacy is hard to achieve. Your phone's biggest weakness might be the network itself. StealthMap has become almost mythical on hacker forums, earning a reputation for its advanced stealth tracking and doxing capabilities. It's not just another tool, it's the subject of countless threads, whispered about in private messages, and referenced as the gold standard for those looking to track or expose targets without leaving a trace. Its name alone sparks heated debates and warnings among both seasoned hackers and newcomers alike. What makes StealthMap so notorious is its ability to route requests through intricate chains of compromised servers scattered across the globe. Each request bounces unpredictably, weaving through a labyrinth of hijacked machines, making it nearly impossible for anyone to trace the original user. This level of anonymity is what draws so much attention and fear within the hacking community. But the real threat isn't just the technology, it's the toxic community that has formed around it. On these forums, privacy violations are not only normalized, but actively encouraged. Members share tips, celebrate successful doxes, and push each other to go further, creating an environment where ethical boundaries are constantly pushed aside. While you can't stop every attack, you can make yourself a much harder target. Start by always using a reputable VPN to mask your online activity, and ensure your Wi-Fi network is secured with a strong password and up-to-date encryption. These basic steps can make a significant difference in protecting your digital footprint. Be mindful of the personal information you share online. Regularly review your social media profiles, remove unnecessary details, and think twice before posting anything that could be used to identify or locate you. The less information available, the less ammunition potential attackers have. Today, cybercrime tools like StealthMap are more accessible than ever before. With just a few clicks, even inexperienced users can get their hands on powerful software designed to compromise privacy and security. This ease of access means that the threat landscape is constantly evolving and expanding. Don't wait until you become a target. Take your digital security seriously now. Educate yourself, stay vigilant, and make proactive choices to protect your privacy in an increasingly hostile online world. Imagine this. Your SIM card, that tiny chip inside your phone, is more than just a way to connect to your network. Darktrace Mobile, a cybersecurity firm, has revealed that it's possible to track devices using SIM card data alone. This isn't just about your phone number. Your SIM card contains a unique identifier called the IMSI, or International Mobile Subscriber Identity. This number is like a digital fingerprint, and it's broadcast every time your phone connects to a cell tower. Hackers and surveillance systems can use this IMSI to pinpoint your location, monitor your movements, and even link your identity to your device, regardless of what phone number you're using. The real danger comes from flaws in the way SIM cards authenticate with mobile networks. If these authentication processes aren't secure, attackers can intercept signals, clone your SIM, or trick the network into thinking their device is yours. This opens the door to identity theft, account takeovers, and unauthorized access to your private data. One of the most common attacks is the SIM swap. In this scenario, a hacker convinces your carrier to transfer your number to a new SIM card they control. Suddenly, they have access to your calls, texts, and even two-factor authentication codes, putting your entire digital life at risk. The SIM card was invented decades ago, and while it's been updated, it's still based on old technology. Today, it's become a major vulnerability in our increasingly connected world, making it a prime target for cybercriminals. Newer solutions like eSIMs offer better security, but they're not yet universal. Until these technologies become standard, it's crucial to stay informed and take steps to protect your SIM card, like using strong account passwords and monitoring your mobile accounts for suspicious activity. Remember, your SIM card could be the weakest link in your digital security. Stay vigilant and don't underestimate the risks hidden in that tiny chip. Nexus Finder claims to track multiple linked devices, families, coworkers, or teams by analyzing call logs, Wi-Fi, and breached contact lists. It's surveillance at scale, turning your social connections into vulnerabilities. Abusers or corporations could use it to control entire groups. Our data is interconnected. A breach of one person can expose many. Help those around you secure their data too. Nexus Finder proves we're only as safe as our weakest link. Cloak Signal's terrifying claim, intercepting two-factor authentication codes, bypassing a critical security layer. By exploiting SS7 flaws, hackers could redirect your 2FA texts and access your bank or email. SMS-based 2FA is vulnerable. Use authenticator apps or physical security keys instead. Criminals are always working to defeat new security measures. Stay informed and update your defenses constantly. Your vigilance is your best protection. TraceX doesn't just track your current location, it claims to provide detailed histories of everywhere you've been. It compiles data from cell towers, Wi-Fi, and shady data brokers to map your routines and habits. Stalkers, burglars, or even lawyers could weaponize this data. Data permanence is a huge problem. Your digital trail is long and hard to erase. Regularly review and delete your location history. TraceX is a chilling reminder. Your past can be used against you. Number 10 is Black Web Locator, the most secretive, invite-only tracking service on the dark web. Its clients are likely high-level criminals or state actors, and its methods are shrouded in mystery. Rumors say it combines every exploit we've discussed, possibly with inside help from telecoms or governments. The dark web is a digital minefield. Don't even think about exploring it. Black Web Locator is the heart of this darkness. Our goal is to warn, not tempt. Stay far away. The threats are real, but you can fight back. Start with strong, unique passwords and use authenticator apps or security keys. Be careful what you share online and review your privacy settings regularly. Stay informed about new cybersecurity threats. Knowledge is your best defense. Your digital security is in your hands. Take it seriously. If you found this video valuable, subscribe for more eye-opening content. Stay safe out there, and see you in the next one.